Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Are y'all doing all right? How is your vibe? Drop an emoji down below and let me know how your vibe is. In today's video, I have some brand new Nail Reserve LA gel polishes. This is a brand new collection for May. This is called the Ace of Wands bundle. Discover the newest collection by Nail Reserve LA, showcasing mystical and highly pigmented colors. The Ace of Wands collection is here to bring out your inner goddess. All right, guys, so also I do get 50% off of all Nail Reserve LA gel polishes, minimum of 2 in your cart to use my 50% off code. These are the City Square nail tips by ENAIL Couture. I have not ever worn these. The first time here on my channel. These are gonna go on my right hand. This is what I've came up with. I am gonna do something similar on this hand to kind of match it and bring it all in together. So I do have them all swatched. Look at these gorgeous colors. Now I don't use all of the colors, of course, but later on we will. But starting with the red, we have Goddess. So then we have this beautiful brown. It's called Tarot Card. And then we have this pink here. This one is called Little Star. Right, the next color right here, beautiful pink, is called Zodiac Sign. This gorgeous green color here is called Forest Spirit. The creamy kind of almost like got a little bit of like gray, like a gray tint to it. It's called Wanderer. The beautiful like teal color here is called Pearl Beads. The last color here, this beautiful pink one, like an antique pink, antique. Oh Lord. Oh, y'all know I have to mess up at least once. This pink is called Pink Universe. Nail Reserve really did it this time. I love the colors. They're freaking amazing. Putting that aside, I've went ahead, buffed my surface shine. Y'all already know you want to go ahead and prep your nails. I have a brand new prep video. I'm going to link it in my cards. That way I don't have to put the prep steps up anymore. Go check it out if you haven't. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing that I did on the other hand. We're just going to make the accents a little different on this side. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take that beautiful Wanderer color and we're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna apply that color. So I'm gonna polish all the nails except my ring finger with this white. It's actually pretty good coverage too. I would go over this one with a second coat just to make it more opaque because it do have a little bit of streaking. Not anything too bad. Now we're going to take the Pink Universe and that is going to go on our ring finger. So after you have all your colors applied, go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with a second coat. Once I go in with the second coat, I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. All right, that is with 2 coats and they've been cured. As you can see, it looks really, really good with 2 coats. Next thing I'm gonna do is take some flocking powder. What you're gonna do is take a no wipe top coat and I'm gonna use my Nail Reserve the no wipe top coat. Okay, get a little get you some. Apply that top coat to the whole nail. Apply an even coat of that. Now you're going to take the flocking powder, pick it up with your tweezers, and then just start sprinkling it on. Make sure you get the sides. Make sure you get the whole nail, okay? Don't worry, it's not gonna look like that. Turn to the side if you have to. You can tap it on if you want, you know, tap, 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 tap. Once you have that on there, go ahead and tap any excess off. Now go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Once that's cured, take a brush. Go ahead and brush off any of the excess flocking powder. And now you have a nice fluffy flocking powder nail. It's nice and fluffy. It's like Peter Cottontail. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that pink again. This is the Pink Universe. And we're gonna do our French on our pinky and our thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start about right here I'll bring that color down. And then I'm going to attempt to make a French. I'm going to try to even that out. Of course, get a brush and clean up your smile line. So that's how I do it, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the pinky nail. What I like to do is just take it and just be very gentle and clean that up. All right, you guys, so I made a little mistake. I went in pinky nail when I was doing the French with the darker pink. I actually used Zodiac Sign, which is totally fine. I grab that no wipe top coat, and we are going to just go over the pink with that. Just the pink. And I'm gonna take that glitter, and you're gonna sprinkle that glitter all over the nail. Tap it, do a full cure, brush off any of the excess glitter. A beautiful glitter nail. This nail, I'm gonna take this like flame bit and my Melody Susie e-file. We're gonna make a hole right there. Perfect hole. Go on the other side. Go ahead and drill that out. All right, about like that. Dust it off. Take my Shrub stickers I got from my girl Mermaiden. Y'all go check her out. She has a YouTube channel. I am going to use the one that I used on my other hand, that one. That's gonna go at the free edge right here. Center it the best you can, and then layer down, flatten it out. On this thumbnail, I'm gonna take your Cupid, and he is gonna go right here in the nail bed area. All right, so I'm gonna take one of those stickers right there, place it right here. Take one more and put them right here, leaving a little room for a rhinestone. I'm gonna take the Nail Reserve matte top coat, and we're gonna matte top coat the stickers. Same with the thumb. All right, give that a full cure. All right, after the matte top coat has been fully cured, now it's time for some fun. I'm gonna take my diamond gel. This is a rhinestone gel. It's really, really thick. You're gonna go maybe a little further than half. You don't wanna touch the hole that you made, so don't go down that far. To start the necklace, I am going to use some of the chain. So let me get this up here like so. Up like that, and we'll start it like this. So let's go ahead and do a flash cure on that. All right, now of course I've got to go in with more diamond gel, but that's okay. I'll just do a little bit at a time instead of like putting it on the whole nail. Those are on there, so now I'm gonna take it again, and I'm just gonna start right here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the nail, just a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with these little gold flat back alloys, and I'm gonna put one here. I'll put one there. We're gonna go in with a rhinestone there and a rhinestone there. Now I'm gonna take the flat back again. I'm gonna grab these like little pearls. I used this one over on the other side in the middle of the necklace right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a flash cure, and we're gonna go ahead and continue on down. Take some more of these flat back gold alloys, and you're gonna start bringing it in. Grab a little caviar bead. Little gem, flash cure it. The Maxi, I can't remember, Diamond Holics, I think, number 67, and I'm going to get moon, this little moon shape crescent. So I'm gonna stick that right there. Take a gold, another gold one, will go right there. A caviar bead right in the center of those two. Drop it down. like that. Go ahead and do a full cure. Take the diamond gel one more time right here on the inside of the crescent black rhinestone. And the black rhinestone is going to be right there in the center, front and center. That took long damn enough. All right, go ahead and do a cure. Then I'm going to take Diamond Holics. I think these are called Diamond Holic 92. And I pulled out this big crystal with a pointy back. And that is why we made the hole in the nail, so that this will lay flat on the nail. My ENAIL COUTURE Squeezy Gummy Jelly. I'm going to go around the perimeter of that circle. And Max actually did this the other day. I thought it was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And you're gonna just set that down in that hole and it's gonna hold it. And then you're gonna go ahead and give that a cure. Go around all of our stones. Go ahead and seal everything in. Give that a cure. Take my squeezy again. Just put one more charm on the top of the snail here. This is from the Rich Girl Charms from ENAIL COUTURE. Put that right into the gel. Gonna grab the light pink pom-pom. Pull the magnet off. I'm gonna put the magnet on this fluffy nail here. It's fitting because it's fluffy and puffy and pom-pom-ish. A little bit of that gel there. Pop that magnet on like so. Cure that real quick. Take your pom-pom. Put it on there. So this is this side. Look how cute. Look at the fluffy one. And then I did go ahead and go around this one with the gems like I did on this pinky, just to give it a little more bling. But look how cute this turned out, y'all. Look how cute. You can take that off if you want, like if you shower or something. Put it back on, but be careful, these do fall off very easily. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below, and tell me what you think about doing the gem this way. And then you can actually add some bubblegum gel right there to keep it more secure. So again, the mini sculptured square, and these are the maximum square. If there is a nail shape that you guys want me to use, comment it down below. It needs to be from ENAIL COUTURE. If there is a certain nail shape that I have not done on my channel and you would like to see it, comment down below and let me know what shape that is. And if I have it, I will do it. Okay, so this is how my Nail Reserve gel polish manicure turned out. Hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless.